Hey guys, now my back and my hip messed up, so I can't get out to the woods. I've been laid up for a few days, so I thought I'd bring some cordage out here and show you how to make an arbor knot, and just to make sure I do it right. Got my lead instructor Marbles with me, so she's gonna make sure I do it right. Aren't you? So let's get to it. So you're going to take your cordage. I'm using 550 paracord. You're going to make a bite. Your tag end, I do mine with the tag on the bottom. It's just easier for me to remember. You're going to take your tag end and go behind the working end and then in front of both of them. Now you're going to come up through the bottom, basically tying an overhand knot in the tag end around the working end like this. Then put your little overhand safety knot in the tag end, work it up toward your knot, get it up nice and close to the knot. And it'll look like this. Then you'll put it around whatever it is you're trying to lash or secure or bind, and just crank it down. Just crank it, and then there you go. That's an arbor knot. Now when you're using bank line, most of the time I have to just cut them, but you can pull back on it to loosen it up. Normally, unless you've put an extreme amount of tension on it, everything will come loose fairly easy, and you won't lose your cord. You won't lose any length of cordage by having to cut it. So just to recap, we'll do it one more time. Take your tag end behind the working end, in front of both. Form an overhand knot in the tag end around the working end. Then in your tag end, make a safety knot, jam knot, whatever it is you feel like calling it. It's just an overhand knot that can't slip through the knot. Then you'll be able to tighten it down. Alright, does this look correct to you? Does that look right? Did I do it right? I think we got her approval. Yep, I think we got her approval. So I hope this was useful. Arbor knot's useful for a lot of things. You can replace a lot of different knots with it, so it's a go-to knot for a lot of things. But hope this video was useful. Well, until the next video, get off the couch, get off the phone, and enjoy the outdoors.